It was about 5 years ago when I backed on Kickstarter the Space Shower Expanding System, and I have loved it, but it's reached a point where it's time for a new one. So yes, I backed this in Kickstarter about 5 years ago, and I've been using it in the different rentals that I've had. And what makes this system so great is when you have a shower tub system and you don't have a lot of room, this allows it to expand, so it's got wider area to allow you to have more room in that shower tub and enjoy it. You don't need to buy one of those curved rods that you might see out there. You can use the standard rod and then use their system. So I reached out to Patrick, the inventor and owner, and I said, Patrick, how things going? And he said, oh, it's great. And he said they've made enhancements to the system, especially the accordion system, to make it more flexible. Because one of the challenges is, while it does cover most of the shower, it was a problem because it didn't really fully cover end to end. And so I think he learned from that and made it better. So I'm really looking forward to sharing with you. The other thing too is that it is a little noisy as you're opening and closing. So I'll be really interested to see how it is. So I did receive, which he did send me, this one. I did back the original one, and here is the packaging. So what I want to do is set it up, and then we'll see how the before and after is. But if you are looking for a system like this, I definitely would recommend having and getting it. And I'll put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section where you could check it out. So let me go ahead and take it. Well, I kind of took it out of the box, and I think a couple of the pieces for the liners came off, but not a problem. And here we go. It does also have, if you decide to get an outside curtain, they have these hooks which you can attach to the space liner. So I'm gonna go ahead, take it off. And what's nice is that the system, which has worked so well, is to take it on and off, especially the curtain, because you can just easily take this off and throw it in the wash, and that worked out well. But we're not gonna take them off separately, we'll just take it all off as a whole system, which is very easy to do, as you see here, and we'll get those off. So that's as quick and easy as it is. Put that off to the side, and it is time for the new one. So Patrick, I'm excited. Thank you for the new improvements, and let's get it on. So he does have different color liners and some others that you can check, but he did send me this one. Put this in like that, and look at that. Oh, this is much nicer, and it's quieter too, which is great. Now, one of the things that I did see that he has also come with is if you need to, on the ends, if you need to have it stick to your tiling, you can do this, but this looks like it's definitely covered wider. And the other thing too, which I did see, and I need to see if I can find the others, is they have these little round pieces that are supposed to go on. Let's see, it looks like it's on most of these. Okay, so it looks like it fell off on a couple, but there are these plastic pieces which go in here, and what that does, whoop, I dropped one in the shower, but what that does is allows it to slide back and forth a little bit easier when you are using it with the shower system, and that's probably why it's not as loud. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up, and once I get it all finished, I will be back to give you my final thoughts. So now that I got the shower system figured out, first of all, wow, fantastic. You are going to love it if you've had the first version. Patrick, 2 thumbs up, really, really well done. So, few things to be aware. First of all, again, these plastic pieces have really made it smoother for opening and closing the shower curtain, so it's not gonna be as loud, so thank you, Patrick. And if any fallen off, it's easy to put in. The other thing that you'll see is these lily pads. You're gonna get 2 of these, and this would allow the end here to stick to your tile, and that works really well. So on one side, which is gonna go on the top here, that has suction pieces. On the other side, you'll see it has this piece that you would remove, and then you would stick that onto your tile, And then when you are showering, all you need to do is suction that to the plastic piece, and then it would stay closed if you need that. I don't think I'm going to need that now. It looks like I got plenty of room on both sides that I shouldn't have to. The other thing which I remember this was spoken about is the length of the shower curtain. Sometimes the shower curtain felt like it was too long. So he put these snap closures in so you can shorten the length, and that's exactly what I did. And there are a handful of them across the bottom, and so it just now can hang and it doesn't have to go all the way to the bottom of the tub. But this is fantastic. As far as the shower liner, it's worked well. I haven't had really many issues as far as water seeping through, so I've been really pleased. The system will be easy to clean and maintain, but wow, a big improvement. If you love the first version or like the first version, you are going to love this new version. So Patrick, again, great job. If you have any questions, let me know. Check out the link in the description as well as in the comment section. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the new and improved shower system by Space. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.